A Florida prisoner is waging a battle over beans, soybeans specifically.
Yeah. The man who is serving a life sentence for sexual battery on a child claims that the beans that are in the prison food, his prison food, they constitute cruel and unusual punishment since they're giving him health problems. Fox 35's Mike Sinan reports.
The inmate in question is here at the Lake Correctional Institute, a state pen, and he believes that substituting soybean for meat is cruel and unusual punishment. A court is going to have to take a look at the question. Eric Harris, also known as James Northrup, has filed the suit, a convicted child molester serving a life sentence for his crime.
Prisoners have the right to bring issues about prison abuse and how they're treated in prison to the attention of the federal courts.
What's abusing Harris, according to his lawsuit, is soybeans. They're now substituted for meat in prisons in part to bring down food costs. Constitutional attorney Larry Walters says taxpayer money will be used to flesh this claim out.
They're allowed to do this pro se, meaning that they don't need to hire an attorney. They can just file the lawsuit, and the federal court has to look at it. There are law clerks that are devoted solely to looking at these pro se prisoner suits.
The state saves substantial money feeding inmates soybeans, or edamame as it's also known. It costs $1.71 a day to feed an inmate 3 square meals. They would not comment on the lawsuit, but did send Fox 35 this statement. No inmates are required to eat soy. We offer an alternative to every meal. The soy on our menu is a 50-50 split between textured vegetable protein and poultry. If we didn't offer soy, taxpayers would spend at least double the amount on inmate food. We provide healthy meals for inmates, but we have to balance that with the cost to the taxpayers. So, does this lawsuit have any chance?
The standard for cruel and unusual punishment is extremely high. It's a tough burden to meet for any inmate. Let's face it, the death penalty has been upheld as compliant with cruel and unusual punishment standards. So the likelihood of an inmate winning a lawsuit like this is extremely low.
Eric Harris has filed several other lawsuits in the past against the prisons. Mike Sinan, Fox 35 News.